Lot 171 is the 1933 Packard Super 8 Coupe Roadster, and we're very honored to be offering this car, which the owner is parting with after 25 years. It's a very practical, adaptable, convertible coupe in a lovely color combination with both AACA and CCCA awards to its credit after a very well-preserved restoration. This is a perfect event car. You can drive it, you can show it, enjoy it with your children. The possibilities are endless. The 1933 Packard Super 8.
Thank you very much, Alan. I got open bidding here on the lovely Packard Super 8 at $100,000. We'd like to start me at $100,000. I thought you would want to start me at $100,000 now. I'm a cheap day bird at $100,000 now, do I have 125 anywhere in the room? At $100,000 at 120, sir. 120. 120,000 I have. Do I have $140,000 now? 140. Thank you. 140. 160. 160. Thank you. 160. 180 if you like. I'm at 160. 170. Thank you. I'm at 170. Do I have $180,000 now? We're at $170,000. It's your bid, sir. At $170,000 now. Do I have 180? 180, thank you. $80,000. I've taken a bid here. 180,000. Do I have $190,000 now? The bids here on my right are $180,000 then. If there's no bid at just $180,000, I shall sell the car. It's selling right here to the roof at $180,000 only, then, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all done? Are we all finished? Well, at $180,000 then for the Packard Super 8, it's going for the first time. At 100, you're looking at me with so much intent. At 180, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Fair warning now. For the third and the very last time, at $180,000. 185. 185, he said. 190, he says. At 190, he's back in with me at 190 down. Do I 195? We're at $190,000, then it's back in the room at 190,000. Nope. Well, it's going for the first time. At 190, it's going for the second time, third and last time. At $130,000 then. So, your car, sir, well done. 190,000. 4730.